Welcome back, everyone. We will start a new class. Today, we will focus on do and does. Yes, today we will still talk about animals because they are our favorite in today's subject, but we are going to focus a little bit on do and does. Okay, guys? We have some special activities for you today, and as always, we have the project at the end of the class. You know that you will need your colors, your pencil, and your imagination. You can always work by yourself or with your parents. Remember, it's always better to work with your family members. And as always, a quick reminder that we should stay in our houses and we should still follow the safety guidelines. We are still in red numbers, so we need to be careful, okay, guys? So I hope that you're having a great time at home. So let's begin with our class today. Are you ready? Perfect. Follow me. Okay, everyone, today we will focus on do and does. As you can see in this image, we have a table set up so that we can identify how to use each one of them. On one side, we have the pronouns, the subject pronouns, which are I, he, she, it, we, you, they. The subject pronouns will guide us to know which one to use. In order to know which one to use, we have this table right here. For I, we will use do. For he, she, or it, we will use does. And for we, you, and they, we will use do one more time. As you can see in the images, we have this divided into sections, which is plural and singular. Remember, guys, to have very cautious with you because the word you can be singular or plural, but in either way, you will use the word do. Okay, guys, so follow me and repeat. I do. He does. She does. It does. We do. You do. They do. Very good job, guys. So, remember, the key to learning which one belongs to which is he, she, and it belongs to does. All of the others belong to do. And remember, guys, the difference is between singular and plural. Okay? And just a quick reminder, the past tense of do and does is did. But we will talk about that later on. Right now, only focus on do and does. And remember, guys, the big difference is between singular and plural. Very good job, guys. We will move along. Now, we will answer some question forms. For this section, you will help me decide which word belongs in each question. First, we need to identify what could be the possible answers for each of them. Now, remember, the key to knowing which one belongs is by identifying the pronoun. Right here, we have different pronouns. Let's read them. She, I, you, he, we. Okay, now that we have identified all the different pronouns, let's focus on the first one. Number 1. She like chocolate. Okay, guys, so identifying that the pronoun is she, we already know that the answer will be does. So help me out to put the correct answer in this section. Very nice job, everyone. Now, let's read the answer, everyone together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Does she like chocolate? Excellent job, everyone. Let's move on to the next question. This one starts with the word I. That means, yes, that is correct. That means that we will use the word do. Now, help me out putting the correct answer. Thank you. Now, let's read the complete sentence. 1, 2, 3. Do I know you? Very good job, everyone. Moving on to the next question. Our pronoun is you. That means that we will use do in this question. Very good job, guys. Now, help me out reading this sentence. Do you watch Netflix? Excellent job, everyone. Now, we will continue with the next one. The next one starts with he. Okay, guys. Do you know the answer? Excellent job! For this one, we will use does. Let's go ahead and read the sentence. Okay, guys, let's begin. Does he have a car? Excellent job! Now we got one more to go. The subject pronoun is we. That automatically tells us that the answer is do. Very good job, guys. Let's go ahead and read the response. Do we study English? Perfect. Okay, guys. And finally, let's mark the pronouns, which are the ones that tell us what the answer is going to be. So the important ones here are he and she, because with he, she, and it, since they are singular, we will use does. Very good job, everyone. Now we will move along. Now we will be focusing on can. Remember, can is the affirmative to express ability. Okay? Today we will only focus on the affirmative, which is can. Right here, you can see that the first examples have people on them. We have some illustrations of people playing sports. But looking at the sentences, every sentence starts with the pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. They all use can. And after that, we will have the verb in its normal form, like speak, ride, drive, play, and swim. We have to be careful with the verbs. Remember, use them in their singular form, okay? Now, let's take a look at some examples. Read with me. I can speak English. You can ride a bike. He can drive a car. She can play the guitar. It can swim. We can play football. You can play football. They can play football. Very good job, everyone. Now, can you tell me one thing that you can do? Very good job. I can speak English. Very nice. We will move along to more examples. Right here, we have this illustration of a little boy. This little boy has the ability to walk, jump, run, and swim. But we need to say it in complete sentences. Can you help me out? Let's begin. I can walk. I can jump. I can run. I can swim. Very good job, everyone. These are all abilities that we can do. Very good job, guys. Now, let's put this into practice. Follow me. Here, we will match the abilities of each animal, and we will match them to the things they can do. Starting with the dog, the fish, the parrot, and the monkey. And the abilities are climb, sing, run, and swim. Okay, guys, so let's start matching them up. We all know that the dog can run. That is correct. Very good job. Now, for the fish, can the fish climb? No, right? The fish can swim. Very good job, guys. Moving on to the parrot. The parrot can sing. And finally, the monkey can climb. Very good job, everyone. Remember, these are all abilities that the animals can do. Okay, guys. Now we will move to our project. Let's move on. Okay, guys, this is today's project. And for today, we will draw in a sheet of paper 2 houses that look exactly the same, but they will have different things inside of them. For this project, you will need a sheet of paper, a set of colors, your pen and or pencil, and you will start by folding the paper in half to divide the sections for each house. Each house will look the same, but it won't be the same because in one house you're gonna write do, and in the other house you will write does. On the bottom part of the house, you will write the pronouns that belong to each one. That way you guys don't forget that I, you, we, and they belong to do, and she, he, and it belong to does. Okay, guys, I hope that you have a great time doing this activity, and we will see each other on Monday's class. So that is it for today, guys. Goodbye.